welcome to Premier Outdoor Living. You might be thinking, hey, where's our charismatic usual host, Sean Collingsgrew? Well, when we get more into the video, he'll tell you himself why he's out, but we didn't film an intro and we needed one. So I volunteered. So we're gonna cover framing. We're gonna get this whole deck framed up. We're gonna show you start to finish what we do, what happens on our job sites, and we hope you stay and enjoy and love it and like it and subscribe and do all those things. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
We got our water main situation settled, no leaks. We're good to go. We're good to keep moving here. So it's really like full day one here today, and we've got all of our lumber getting delivered. We've got a lot of stuff on this order. We've got all of our deck framing material. We've got most of the roof framing material. So we're getting all of that staged up, and it's one of the underrated parts of a project is making sure that you have everything staged in the right spot. It's something that we could always get a little bit better at, but where we're gonna park our vehicles, where we're gonna have lumber, whether we have to take out a fence or not. So we did have to take out a little bit of fence here, but that's gonna make it so everything is just really easy to access and all that kind of stuff. So we're first things first, jumping into the ledger board. Let me just show you a couple things that we had to do. So all of this is getting taken down. The whole house is getting re-sided. So all of that is going to be gone, and everything underneath of our roof structure is going to be Maximo wood. So tearing that off, we've got it a little bit above our door here, so our ledger is going to be right below that. We have some plywood to patch in, and then we can get moving on everything else. All the piles should be set to the right elevation where we can just spin it right up for our beams, so we won't need 6x6s, and we can get right into our deck framing and get this thing moving. So check out the rendering again. This is what we're building. It's gonna be sick. Let's get it. Favorite thing about framing?
Being done with it.
It's nice. What else?
That's about it.
What's the worst thing about framing?
Starting.
I was gonna say most of it's heavy. What's your favorite thing about framing? What are you eating?
Sunflower seeds.
Oh man, you really were a baseball player. You can do that, like chew them and separate them and spit them out all in your mouth. Did it take a lot of practice?
A few bags.
Yeah? What's your favorite thing about framing?
The shape, it gets a shape.
It gets a shape. What's your least favorite thing about framing?
When we have to carry it to the back.
Yeah. And today we don't have to. We have this access. Still gotta carry it a little bit, but
not the whole way.
Yeah, that is the worst, definitely. What's your favorite thing about framing?
Me?
Yeah.
How fast it goes.
What's your least favorite thing about framing?
Moving the lumber to, like, stage it. It's heavy.
Which we don't have to do right now. So what do you mean?
What?
Like when it has to get carried to the backyard, you mean?
Yeah.
What do we do?
No, it's back there. Sweet. Yeah. Steve, what's your favorite part about framing?
It's a lot of views.
Probably pro wood. Yeah, everyone loves framing vids.
Yeah. Makes me look good.
Oh yeah. Hey man, you look good anyway, brother.
Thank you.
It's inappropriate. You shouldn't talk to your coworkers like that.
Hey.
I like it.
Hey,
I'll take that. Any day.
don't dictate how us men talk to each other, all right? Steve, I've been working out. Never settle. We've been really happy with ProWood. Been using it for a couple years. All of this is number 1. So you got number 1, you got number 2, different grades of lumber. This is number 1, and everything treated for ground contact. So most places that you go, especially with larger dimensional lumber, you're gonna have it treated for ground contact. That's what we always want to use for any type of important structural member. So whether it's a beam, a joist, a ledger, even if it's not in contact with the ground, we want ground contact, and that's what we got here. So let's get this ledger. Sitting bed level, love to see it. Before we really start getting into framing, getting our joists in here, we got to get this spot situated with our concrete footing that we're gonna do there. And I also have another dumpster coming because while we have access over here, we got the machines here, we'll get rid of the rest of that wall block and patio. We also have this one here that's coming out, but if we got to do this one later, like it doesn't fit in the dumpster, that's no problem. It's close to the driveway, so that'll be easy, but access over there is going to be a little bit more limited as we start building, so I want to get that out of here as soon as possible. So should be coming today, if not tomorrow morning, and we'll get that situated. Just make sure that we're not making life harder for us as we go and get ourselves trapped. Making pretty good progress here. We got all this kind of graded out, relatively prepped for our patio that's going to go in here. So we've got a big retaining wall around the outside, so we've got this dug down to our elevation. The subgrade is pitched away from the pool, and we're going to have a wall all around here. It's going to kind of cut back and then all the way across. So we can set that, and you can see how we've got that nice positive drainage, and then everything else on top behind the wall, we're going to have, you know, roughly 2 feet of clean stone, and we're going to have a really good amount of it back in that corner. And then all of this, again, we'll have at least 6 inches of clean stone there. We can make sure everything is moving in the right direction. And now we're ready to set up our drainage. So we've got 3 downspouts. Just did this quick little drawing yesterday just to get my material list. So we've got downspout, downspout, and another downspouts gonna be right at the edge of this roof. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna connect everything, get our 90 there, our T into here, and make this all essentially one unit. We'll glue it all together. We'll come to here, and you can see here is where we're transitioning grade pretty good. So we're gonna go almost like on top of the grade here, kind of half bury it, make sure we have positive pitch, and then right here I'll do a 45 and a 45 to get it underneath that grade, because otherwise we'd have to dig out like 1.5 feet, 2 feet over here. So I don't want to do that. So we'll get everything glued up and we should be good to go. Is it gonna fit?
I gotta get under it. I'm trying to lift it and get under.
I think you need a glove. There you go.
They stretch, bro.
That's good. Drainage in, check. And glad we got a lot of this grading done. Everything's just prepped. It's kind of ready to go. So it's gonna make life a lot easier once we get to the patio. Access is going to be a little bit more limited, so yeah, should be good to go. Should be good to go here and start framing. So let's get it. All right, we got framing about to happen. We got all this graded out. Got a ledger up. These gentlemen right here got our beam set and our heights, and everything is figured out. So we're ready to run our joists. Our ledger is all marked out. So right now, grading them out, getting them all stacked according to height, and then we can go starting with one, going to the other. It looks like this here is all quarters. Usually the majority of them are 9 3/8, and then we'll have some quarters, some halves, but kind of depends. So what's it looking like so far? Quarters?
3/8 and half.
Okay. Oh, these are all 3/8?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. All right, so getting all these separated so we can figure out what to start with, and we'll start with either quarters and go to 3/8 and then half, or half 3/4, half 3/8 1/4. But this part should go pretty quick. Got it all marked out, everything's prepped. We're good to go. It's a little hectic right now. I don't know, about to have a baby really soon, so could be today, could be literally any day right now. So it's really hard to plan out what's going to happen on this project, and keep everything moving, not knowing when I'm not going to be here. So a little stressful, but we're getting through it. I mean, they know what to do. We've got the plan all set. They'll be fine without me here, but just a little bit stressful trying to tie up these last little details before I take a little bit of a break. So we'll get these joists going, and see where we're at after that.
Then 3/8 do that.
Tony, T-Dog, T-Pain. What do you got going on?
Cotton beans.
Are we getting the genie lift today? Is that where Nick is?
Yeah.
So these beams should be in the air today. Check that out. I don't know how much Sean has said, but he is out having a baby right now. So TBD on that baby. She hasn't been born yet, but she's coming out today, hopefully, I think. And so he will be out for a little bit. So we are getting all this stuff done while he is out. Plan is to get these beams in the air and start on this roof. So let's get going.
I gotta put plywood down for that.
Yeah.
It might be easier to lean it back on those bigger wheels. Maybe not.
It's a leg kick.
All right, Aunt, what's the plan? What's going up first?
That one. That one. 1, 2, 3.
Everybody's really color coordinated. My team.
Unscrew that. Now lift it, Steve.
Lift it up.
Yeah. Like that outlet.
Yeah. You're like about to hit it.
The outlet?
Yeah, you want me to
So
lift it
move
above
to
it?
the side. Alright. Cranking it.
I'll crank it. Ready?
Nick. Here's the level. Yeah, help him reset that.
Send it.
All right, chill. Now you can go. All right, slow down. I'm on, Nick. Are you on or no? No, I'm way out. Yeah, push that in.
All right, I can go down.
Watch your
But-
fingers, Nick.
I'm on it, but I got to go this way.
Yeah, I just.
Do you wanna-
So you not.
Yep. Sledge.
Well, that's it for this vlog. In the next vlog, you're gonna see us put this huge roof up. So stay tuned, you're not gonna wanna miss it. We'll show you the rafters, the roofing, the gable wall, all of it in the next vlog. So make sure to hit like, subscribe. What does Sean normally say? And until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.